I'm going to show you how to test your machine to find the best stitch for sewing your stretchy fabric together. So my machine has got 2 stretch stitches. So the first one is this one, which is called a triple stretch stitch, and it looks like 3 stitches next to each other in a line. So it looks like 9 little dashes. So on my machine you just have to put it onto 9, and then that's what the stitch looks like. So I'm just going to line up the presser foot with the edge of the fabric, and I'm going to sew. Now when it sews this time, it will do each stitch 3 times, so you'll see it going forward and back, and you don't need to reverse on this stitch because it already goes forward and back. So you can see it's done each stitch 3 times, so that's really strong, and it will stretch with the fabric. And if I look at it from that side, the stripes aren't matched up because it was just a tester. That is really, really strong. So I'm now going to try it on the other stretch stitch, and this is just called a stretch stitch, and it looks a little bit like a zigzag, but it's much tighter because the stitch length is only 1. And that is my stretch stitch, and you can see it's really strong. It looks a little bit like a zigzag and a straight stitch, and it's a really tight stitch. And if we look at it from the side, oh, I did actually stripe match there without realising. If you look at it from the side, it's really strong. And actually out of the 2, this is easier because it's a straight stitch, and if you needed to unpick it, it'd be easier to take out, but this uses a lot more thread than this one, so I'm actually going to go with this one.